Let's see how we can do conditional formatting in G Sheet. First we need to go to G Sheet by clicking on Sheets from Google Apps. We do not have any sheets, so let's click on Blank Spreadsheet. This creates and opens a blank sheet called Untitled Spreadsheet. We will rename this for easy future access to Conditional Format Rows. Let's create our data. First column we will have serial number. Second will be tasks. Then deadline. And finally, days remaining. Let's take 10 entries. Serial number from 1 to 10. Let us name the tasks as Task 1 to Task 10. Deadline we will write from February 20th, 2024 to February 29th, 2024. Days remaining should be the days remaining from today or current date to deadline. We can calculate this using a built-in formula days. It takes end date, start date, as arguments. For our case, start date will be today or current date obtained from another built-in formula today, and end date will be deadline. We can autofill the formula wherever required. Let's check today function. We see that the current date is February 20th, 2024. Or, a different way to get the days remaining is to use a built-in function called DATEDIF. Which takes start date, end date, and unit as arguments. For our case, start date will once again be today or current date obtained from built-in formula today, and end date will be deadline, unit will be D since we require the number of days. We can autofill the formula wherever required. Let's do some formatting of the data entered. Now, we will select the range on which we wish to apply the conditional formatting. Here, let us take range from A2 to D11. Head to Format tab. In that, conditional formatting, we see in single color, apply to range, is taken as the one we selected, that is, A2 to D11. From Format Rules we need to select Custom Formula is. In Value or Formula, type in the formula according to which the conditional formatting should be done. Suppose we want to highlight the rows for which the days remaining in column D is less than 3, that is, equals $D2 less than 3. It is important to write the $sign, otherwise we will not get the expected result. Let's change the highlight color, and hit done. Bravo! Our conditional formatting for range A2 to D11 for any value from D2 to D11 less than 3 is done. Just for fun, let's check for greater than 3 and equal to 3. Let's say, we add a column C called assignee, and enter the details A, B, C, D, A, E, F, B, G, C. We will try to highlight the rows where assignee is A. We need to change the formula to $C2 equals A in quotes to indicate A as text. We see that from C2 to C11 there are 2 rows. Row 2 and row 6 which have A as assignee. To make things interesting, let us add another column D called status. We will enter completed as the status. Now we want to highlight those rows which have A as assignee and whose status is completed. We need to change the formula to include the additional condition, so we can use AND to obtain this. The formula is equals N, $C2 equals A, $D2 equals completed. Now since the task is completed, let us change the color. The 2 rows are highlighted. If we change the status of row 6 to in progress from completed, we will see the highlight is removed as the condition is not met. To highlight the row which has assignee A and status which is anything other than completed, we use not $D2 equals completed. The full formula is and $C2 equals A, not $D2 equals completed. Since the status is not completed, let us change the color. Voila, we get the result expected. We have successfully learned conditional format of rows in G Sheet. Thank you for your time. Please like, share and subscribe if this video was useful.